What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your account status. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, in the previous videos I showed you how to make a YouTube account, upload your first video and then add a channel icon. In this video it's all about verifying your account status that will enable you or allow you to enable monetization and whatever. So let's go to channel and then you can see the verify button here. We're going to click that. Verify your account by phone lets you unlock additional features on YouTube and helps us make sure you're a real YouTuber, not a robot. Okay, select your country, United Kingdom. How should we deliver the verification code to you? Text me the verification code. Okay. You won't see this part. Submit. There you go, the old school BlackBerry phone. Let's type in the code again. Okay, submit. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Continue, and there you go. More features have been unlocked. Okay, now we can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, external annotations, custom thumbnails, paid content. You must enable monetization before you can offer paid content, and fan funding as well. You must enable monetization. In the next video, we will enable monetization and show you what happens when you do that. You become a YouTube partner. But this video was showing you how to verify your account status and unlock more features such as longer videos, live events. We will enable that in the near future. Okay. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.